I'm Ed Larson, and from Larson Construction Independence, and we also are involved with owners of Iowa Engineered Processes and Iowa Engineered Processes 2. It started a long time ago, back when I was actually a young man of 14 years old, and I got started working for a contractor. I begged my parents to let me do that, and realized that I really enjoyed it and made sense to me and was very easy to do or figure out. And so then went on to college and got my degree, bachelor's degree and master's degree, and then started doing construction in the residential area, but that lasted just a few years, and then we got involved in more industrial and commercial projects. We weren't able to go out and hire people because just starting, so you had to teach everybody to understand what we were doing and how we were doing it. But Iowa Engineered itself actually started it wasn't in Iowa Engineered at that time, but a person that did it was an engineer at John Deere that started the Cascade system, and then what really happened the next 15 years took us to really get it developed and make it work. And so then all of a sudden we're doing work for General Motors and Ford, and we're working in different countries, Germany and Japan, and South Korea is one of our biggest ones. We just have grown into be kind of an international company. The only reason any of this stuff is successful is because of our children here, Doug and Nan and Susan, and my wife Janet, and then we hire phenomenal people. We try to get the best people in the land.
I'm Doug Larson. I am one of the owners of Larson Construction Company. I've been back working for Larson Construction, IEP, and the golf course since 1995. Well, one thing here with all our employees is I always tell when we hire anybody that comes in, I say my door's always open. You can give us a call at any time. And so Travis and I actually do most of the HR, most of the PR ourselves. And the reason we do that is we want to learn about our employees, want to know our employees, and help our employees. And I believe we do that probably more so than most companies do. And then the other thing that we do is we will go out and work with our employees on a Saturday, maybe go help pour concrete, and go do some of those things. And so I said that's another really a pretty big thing as well, is be involved. We are commercial and industrial contractors. We do hospitals, we work on schools, we work on industrial projects such as a creamery. In Independence, we work at manufacturing plants. We finished a $30 million hospital clinic for Community Point in Cedar Falls. Just here about a year and a half ago, we just finished Aldridge School in Cedar Falls, which is about an 80,000 square foot, $22 million project. We are working on a $48 million project for Prairie School in Cedar Rapids. We are just starting a $122 million project for the Waukee School District, doing a whole new 150-acre campus. Just all sorts of projects like that. We're doing a 70,000 square foot expansion as we're speaking today, setting tilt-up precast panels for the Wapsie Valley Creamery. All sorts of projects like that. I'll go down and do little projects as well. We just got done with about a $250,000 addition for the Indytel telephone co-op in Independence. And so we have a wide range of projects from $100,000 up to $120 million projects. One thing that we do is we self-perform our dirt work, our utilities, our concrete, our steel, and we will fabricate our own steel, IEP does, and we do our carpentry and our finished carpentry. So we have a wide range of work that we self-perform.
I think the other thing that I always really remember that's important in business is that you only keep what you give away, and that's in your time, your talent, and whatever. And if you do that, you will be successful regardless of what you do.
Hello, my name is Shane Bevins. I've been with Iowa Engineered Processes for 24 years, production manager. The company got oriented and started in 1985. This division over here, the steel manufacturing division, started in 2004. At the IEP2 location, we build structural steels for facilities such as schools, hospitals. We build general fabrication equipment for companies such as General Kinematics. We build custom radiators for L&M Radiator. The Iowa Engineered facility is located in Independence, Iowa. The facility located as IEP2 is a 33,000 square foot facility. Has all general fabrication capabilities from MIG welding, beam line, clipper, 300-ton press, capabilities to produce handrails through tube benders, beam lines that build structural long beam welds. We build structural steel frames for radiators for the mining world, the strip mines, underground mining, generators, fracking machines. These are custom designed radiators. These radiators are implemented in the offshore oil rigs.
We build cascade machines at Iowa Engineered Processes for deburring parts, cleaning core sands out of engine blocks, anything that needs cleaned or deburred. We've got two plants, IEP1 and IEP2 is more of a manufacturing. Here we concentrate on the cascade machine, and that's our main focus is the cascade machine. Building the fixtures, we do all the electrical and all the fixturing right in-house.
My name's Adam Miller. I've been at Iowa Engineered Processes for about 10 years now. I'm a CNC programmer / supervisor. Do from programming to material ordering to tooling to start to finish products mainly. We do a lot of custom stuff. I mean, it's a pretty wide range of stuff we machine. I help with the fixture design. We got the drafters up in front, and I also do drafting on the computer. And we do R&D work with our customers and from China, Brazil, Mexico. We kind of are in touch with them back and forth on fixture designs on our machines and kind of custom. Each machine's different. We got them for the automotive industries, all over the world. We got a couple open lathes. There's a Amerisiki lathe, ferret lathe, and the rest of these are vertical milling machines. And got surface grinders, a lot of odds and ends presses, and a little everything here and stuff. Because everything's custom one-off parts. I mean, these machines aren't just not run-of-the-mill. Each one is specific for that customer, so it's a lot of back and forth with their design departments. I mean, like Kia over in Korea, there's, that's a big auto industry, and we deal with teams of people right over there, and to make sure they get what they want, and we kind of go above and beyond with a lot of product testing and stuff like that for people, and so kind of really just try and make sure they get what they want. As far as this Cascade division of the company, it's a pretty unique product. There is not a lot of people in the world that make automated vibratory deburring machines. So it's kind of a small window and kind of a niche market in the bigger hydraulics and automotive industries. I think we got the process down pretty good. So we sell pretty good quality product at a good price. So.
My name's Zach Miller. I've been with Iowa Engineered for 14 years. I'm kind of overseeing production here. We've been a AISC certified fabricator, an AWS certified fabricator. We're IPPC certified. We've been certified since 2013. Here at IEP, we utilize SolidWorks, AutoCAD, DraftSite, SigmaNess, Dr. Abe for the laser. We recently purchased a 72 by 144 Armada, 4,000 watt. It'll cut up to effectively 3/4 inch. As far as our machining capabilities or manufacturing capabilities, we do have an Ocean Avenger beam line, Ocean Avenger clipper. We have a jet line, robotic track welder, a plasma cutter that's 72 by 244 that'll cut up to 1.25 inches. Everything we do is precision, everything we do is high quality.
Iowa Engineered is a family-owned company by the Larson family. The company's ran on a family basis. Everybody here has had extended time period. We're all local. It's a small community, so we all know each other's families and friends. All of our kids are oriented in activities together, so the Larson family is an easy family to work for, an enjoyable place to be.